3 ways to organize your jewelry. Jewelry is a great way to accessorize and express yourself. Just make sure you're storing it properly. Storing your favorite pieces in plain sight is a great way to stay organized and decorate your space. By utilizing an acrylic linen jewelry drawer system, you can easily see your items while keeping them protected and contained. Acrylic jewelry stands will have your space filled with a personal boutique. An acrylic earring stand perfectly displays each earring, from bolder, larger statement pieces to smaller, more petite studs. Clear acrylic storage is a perfect way to show off your unique and exciting sense of style. The second way to organize your jewelry is an in-drawer insert. This expandable jewelry storage tray can be found at the Container Store as well. By keeping the jewelry covered in the drawer, it stays protected from damage as well as dust. Pro tip: utilize each section for similar items. The third option is a wall-mounted cabinet. This amazing contraption doubles as a wall mirror as well as jewelry storage. This armoire is available at Wayfair. Hidden within, there are specific locations for different types of jewelry, as well as a small mirror and a lock and key for safety. We recommend spacing out your items so you can easily see everything you own. This storage space offers necklace and bracelet hooks as well as ring and earring slots. Storing your jewelry doesn't have to leave your belongings in a tangled mess. A little organization can go a long way.